Hi all, Renee here. I am here today to put together the Cut Above Layout Kit from Close to My Heart's Craft with Heart subscription for February. So this is, if you've never seen one of these before, it's a kit that comes out it has a monthly kit. You can buy it every 4 months on a 4-month package, or you can buy it on an annual package. I'll have information down below if you're interested. Just click on my shop down below and you can find information on it. But this month makes these two-page layouts. I love them because they're not like mega cutesy Valentine-y, but they can be used for love. They can be used for so many different things. So I'm going to go ahead and put these together today. Thought I'd show you real quick what comes in the kit. You get a cardstock sticker sheet. These are really nice stickers, and they're clearly marked which layout, so you don't have to try to figure it out. And then, excuse me, you also get all of any cut mats or anything like that that you need will come in the kit. You'll also get your photo placeholders, so all of the placeholders you'll need for your photos. If you already have the photos that you're going to use, fine, you can just use these as mats. You can hang on to them and use them in other projects. Lots of different uses for those. You also get some die cut sheets. So again, layout 1, layout 2, very easy, very well marked. Then this is what makes it so quick and easy. You get your pre-printed base pages. So these base pages, if I can get them apart, get my fingers sore today. These base pages are for layout 1. And then these base pages are for layout 2. Oh, I'm a sucker for those. I could use a whole package of those just as journaling cards. So there's those. So I will go ahead, put on some music, and speed everything up for you so you don't have to watch me in real time. Put everything together and then come back and show you some up-close pictures or up-close views and any thoughts that I have on anything. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, these turned out really cute. Just a couple little things that I would do if I were you when you're making this one is wait to put these hearts on. I did try to pull them back up, but the stickers are really, really strong. So wait to put those on until you already have this part on. And then maybe move this down just a little bit more. I'm trying to think. It didn't tell you where to put it, but let's measure it. That way, if you're putting this together, you know where to go. I would say put it at, let's see, 7.5 inches would be good. So at 7.5 from the bottom, line up your letters, and that would be perfect. So, so there's that little tip for you. Love the way this came out. This little sticker was included on the sticker sheet, but I didn't see it anywhere in the design, so I just picked a place for it. I thought it looked nice here to create that look of the orange color going down. So there's that. I did put this up on some foam dots. I just felt like it needed a little bit more dimension. I try not to put too much dimension in my books because they just get too fat too fast. So there are these two. Love the way they came out. I love all the colors. These will go with just about any photos you have. And then these ones turned out so beautiful. I made a mistake, but what would a video be if I hadn't made a mistake? I have this one turned the wrong direction, the color, but it works okay with just the white. It's not a big deal. I love this little envelope. That was really a cute idea. I love all these little tags. And even the banners weren't too bad. I do have a little problem with banners. When I try to do banners, they just don't hang right or something. I don't know what it is. But I think these turned out great as well. One thing I did forget is to put this down before I put the envelope down, but it was no problem to stick it underneath there and just yank off the little extra piece that was hanging over. So there is the second layout. So all in all, this was great fun. It took me probably less than an hour to put both of these together, which is just a great afternoon of crafting when you don't have a huge amount of time, which I don't right now. It's time for me to get my seeds started, so I'm going to be doing that this afternoon because spring is coming. Yay! So again, this is the Craft with Heart Cut Above Layout Kit for February. If you have any questions, just let me know. And with that, I will let you go. If you're not already a subscriber, please think about subscribing. That would mean the world to me. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.